concrete coatings should last 25 years, and let me explain to you why. If a concrete coating has 3 key parts to it, it's going to last: the prep, the repair, and the product. Just like anything else, the foundation is important. If your concrete is prepared properly with the right diamond tooling and an industrial grade mechanical grinder, you're gonna be set up for success. Ultimately, what matters is creating a concrete surface profile. In the industry, there's referred to different levels of CSP, otherwise known as concrete surface profile. And you want a minimum of a CSP3, so that way you can get a mechanical bond with your product. So floor coating has to be prepared properly before we can even take the next step. After the concrete has been prepped properly, either removing the coating or grinding the raw concrete, we then have to make repairs. Usually a concrete substrate, unless it's a new construction home, is going to have some level of repair, such as salt pitting, hairline cracks, or voids within the concrete. Those repairs need to be made with the right product, allow it to dry, and grind it smooth prior to installing the product. So prep and repair are 2 essential parts of the process to ensure a long-lasting concrete coating. Last but not least is the right product in the right environment. A polyurea polyaspartic system should last 25 plus years if it's installed right from day one. A high-quality, industrial-grade floor coating product, not a DIY product. Here at TORQ Coatings, we use a 94% solids polyurea that gets great adhesion when the floor is prepped properly, a flake color of your choice, and then we install a high-quality polyaspartic that is 93% solids, and that top coat is ultimately what's going to seal that flake in and give you a floor that is going to be built to last. That's chemical and abrasion resistance. So really the key recipe to a successful floor coating lasting a long time is the prep, the repair, and the product. But then last but not least, how you take care of it. You as the homeowner have to maintain it just like anything else in life. Yes, it's durable. It's easy to drop something on it and it can withstand the wear and tear and the test of time, but it's not bulletproof. It does take maintenance, it does take re-cleaning it, and potentially you may want to reseal it if you want to at 10 or 12 year mark. But that's ultimately all the maintenance that you need to do. We believe in our coatings so much at TORQ that we offer a lifetime warranty, and that a concrete coating should last a minimum of 25 years before you should even have to touch it. And if your contractor doesn't tell you the same thing, you should definitely question whether or not they're the right person to go with.